Is your Gmail name outdated or wrong? Fix it in under 2 minutes with this simple trick. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change your display name. Just follow these 8 quick steps. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Now, in the top bar, click on Accounts and Import. Scroll down to the Send Mail As section. Next to your email address, click Edit Info. In the text box, enter the new name you want recipients to see. Finally, click Save Changes to apply your new name. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.